Unong ay kitian bat MLA keseng Voice of the People's Party uba Bright Starwell Marbanyang. Ulit ho ba kabok jong ka parti hakane ka election MP steng samoy kan syong hakarai jong ka yang syari kabala kami lenti ban pinmi akarai hapo sisni na arsni banwan. Uba Bright Starwell Marbanyang ulapen pau ya kejing syania ka wakrau hak yang syari bat ulapen rem jerru ya kejing lek menti kanehu ki kendon ka UGC bat ka school ba ulong bagadiman plat no ya ka NOC meredep ke por bentungkam ke shipor lan ke probation jong Dr. Bat scam merbo ki kendon puli putih ki kedau syai bagajing pen scam kam di mana ada undang trai la pendep ke por jong ke probation kem dayo kono kono jing ujor bat ke school ba kadon kam tek tang man ai ki kot kisla habala keli la kan ke jingja ka don em ka aka Halendat uba Bright Starwell Marbanyang ulakan taj man keren tikna pen ban ule tho baga VPP kamban se ban sengap bat ka kloi bene khon ka hok jong kertong bene khon election u Dr. Bat scam merbo u kertong ke seng VPP na kamtak election steng samoy sha ka Lok Sabha na ka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency ka ban salong ha ubnai risau lani nai wiang ulah bane ujor ki yang syari na gadaw ka jing slam ka school ba nehu ban pen scam ka kam jong u bat ban ay ka NOC ka ban kam bane khon election MP ha ka mokot duma u Dr. Bat scam merbo ula pen shisha bula dak pura ka arsnam ka por klam dadan kanu kanu ka jing ujor persyayu nomor kata ka jing sengap jar ka school ba kamlong ka basyongnya kayeng syari Meghalaya High Court ka pen mi ya ka Warren ujor sha ka school ba ban jubab halor kene kamat Kashuki Lok Sabha Shillong kalatli hadian kejing kelat kan sanno jeng UMP u Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon hau benai rempang belong ru u professor ke skul ba nehu namar kata kinong yalam kinong kersyan ke VPP kinang ape karai ke bakado juga yang syari kinang bu kertong batamai u Dr. Bat scam merbo unlak banyakun hakan ke election klam kano kano kejing wet.
In fact, I think you might be aware the matter is with the Meghalaya High Court, and I think it's now it's up to the Meghalaya High Court. I think in a day or two, the Meghalaya High Court would issue an order, and accordingly, whoever have to abide by that order, they have to. So I see no reason that, in fact, if you go by the UGC regulation, if you have completed 1 year service, if there is anything from the management, they will inform the person concerned if there is anything adverse. But then if there is nothing, automatically it has been confirmed, and once confirmed, that means Nehu, they just need to give the NOC. But for us, because see, election is maybe by October or November, so we cannot just sit. We have to fight